Good afternoon, everyone. We are going to take this hose off down in here, goes across, and I got, where is it? Back here. I got a new one. So, stick that there, and we're going to go with it. Now, this is something new for me because I'm putting the headset on. I've never did this before, so I hope it works out all right. Take this off. Alright, this one go. Wait, oh, wrong one. Alright, how about this one? Alright, that's that hose. Now, to put this one on. Now, is going to be a pain in the backside. Oh. Oh. Oh man, I did get it started. All right. Now, I hope everybody can see this, because I've never tried this with a headset on before. All right. Ow. Ow. I hope everybody can see this. Ow. There. Roll on. right. Now, before I go putting this all back together, start it up. And see if she's gonna leak. Now this one here, it leaked right around here. Not up here, right around here. And same way over here, where they crimped them, and it leaked. Huh. So, I'll keep the hose. I'll get reusable ends. They're pretty good. Let me see if she can leak. Usually right in here, they're gonna leak. They're up in here. I was using so much hydraulic oil, and I couldn't figure it was coming out of here, up in there, because it was just running in here same. I thought I blew a hose here. I never paid no attention on the other one. Right around here where they crimped them together on that one over there. But I think I bought that one from a New Holland dealer down the road from me. And I'm going to take it back to them, because I usually take them down to Napa, in Liberty, New York, and that's where I always get all my hoses done. Oh, great, man, she works great. This will be up in there to tie these fast. Just bought that just past year. Well, not last year. I could do something with this too. And I mean, come on. And another thing, down there, see my hand, that bar goes across there, holds them together. Well, that thing right there, right down there, this one here was offset than that one. So every time you put the bucket on, oh, it was a pain in the backside. You had to put it in, and then latch one side, and then put the other end over there underneath like my excavator, Herbie, and under the front end, and pick up onto it, and it would slide in. It was bent. And how that ever happened, it's probably me. You know, I'm rammy. So I did that the other day when I had that log splitter that I made. And I got that on there, but it wouldn't fit on there perfectly. So I got this side latched, and this side I didn't. So I put one of them car things over there under this end, and I heated that and bent that thing right back to where it's supposed to be. Now the bucket, oh, no problem. I mean, I poured oil onto it, so, you know, keep the temper into it. But she's good. It works great now. You can pull them levers up and have no problem. You stick that on. Boy, I used to cuss at that thing. And now she works great. Little ingenuity, that's what I say. So now I have to check out the hydraulic. Good thing I bought a couple more 5 gallons and fill her up and hope I have no more leaks like that. Oh my God, my goodness. So let me get in, let me get with it here. Ooh, ooh, I gotta go get a couple tie straps. Let me see. I need some tie straps. What do we got here? Oh, we got some tie straps. And what these? They're big ones. Yeah. Don't need them. Oh, these are good enough. How many I need? A few. How many you got there? 4. I'll bring 5. Just in case. Come on, get in there. Come on, get up there. Come on, get on there. That's on there. And one right here. No. Come on. I hope this comes out all right. I don't know. I never used a headset before. And that one right here. Is that good? No. Oops. Come on. There. Now. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Put these in there. And oop, what was that? Hey. There we go. Come on, help there. And this one. Come on, where's the hole? There it is. Come on. There. Now, let's try her again. Where's my rag? Here we go. Ooh. Now I want to show you on this thing. This thing here. I heated that up and bent this so it would go right on. Now, no problem. I had to get the thing under me. Watch it make a liar out of me, but I doubt it. That's beautiful. Fits perfect. I have no more leaks here. Not that I see. I'll just have to keep watch of it. Leaks. Hope another hose ain't going. Well, let's go over here and try her out. This hose here. This is a I just spent $100 for all $90-something for that one hose. I probably had to buy another one, I guess. See, it's dripping right there. I wonder if it's from the old oil. I don't see nothing else. Ain't from there. It ain't from there. Ain't from here. Unless it's in this hose here. Ooh, man, I don't know. Unless this thing here is saturated. Maybe it's just dripping from that. Well, I'll run it for a little bit. I don't see nothing else. Not from there. I might even have one of them hoses. A 1/2-inch nipple. We'll just have to see about that. But I think it's coming out. This thing here is saturated. I'll have to see. Well, I'm just gonna have to watch it and see what happens. Yeah. All right. We're gonna call this one. And see what happens. You know what I'm saying? Oh, man. It's a little warm out here. Cool this morning. So you people, you like that? Subscribe. Like. Share. And I'm gonna keep my eye on that. I think that cover is saturated with oil was on there. And I'm gonna just see if it goes away, fine. If it doesn't, I'm gonna take that off there, and we'll put a new one on. So have a good day. Stay safe, my friends.